Hello, welcome to this week's vlog. I yet again realized as I'm sitting here editing the vlog that I didn't do an intro. So hello, welcome to the video. I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. Blue, it's your first Christmas tree. I'm gonna put it up because we have a photo shoot tomorrow night, so just thought I'd vlog it. So today has been spent decorating and then shopping and running errands. So we just got back from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, our local hardware store, Menards. So it's not local, but it's Midwest. And Dollar Tree. So I thought I would show you guys a few things that I got to finish off decorating the house. So at Hobby Lobby, I got these ornaments and they're like a deep forest green color. That's kind of my accent color along with my white, gold, and black tree. So that's what these are. They'll probably show up better on the tree. And then we got these little wreaths, which, oh, I forgot. Anyways, whatever. I got these to hang on my kitchen cabinets. So that'll be cute. And then we got these ornaments for the tree, which we think are really pretty and also shatterproof. Love that. And then I got this sign, which I think I'm gonna put in my office. But I also might put out here because it's just really cute. And that was just $4. Because, oops. And then I got these picks for my tree. And then we got this little stocking for Blue because, I don't know, it's just cute and it's blue. And it was 50% off, of course, because Hobby Lobby. So that's from Hobby Lobby. And then from Dollar Tree, I got these ornaments that I plan to put in my lanterns here. I already have this one with pine cones and ornaments. I'm gonna add ornaments in this one, and then I have some on the other side as well. And then I got a bunch of picks from Walmart, which I'll show you. I'm gonna DIY some flocked wreaths because they were out of their flocked wreaths. So we got some canned snow that we can spray. And we got this, which is super cool, as you can see. So we're gonna try that out, and I mean, I think it's gonna be awesome and save me a lot of bad cuts and ripping wrapping paper. And then I got this tree to add to my little village, just a bottle brush tree. And then some hooks to hang our wreaths on the windows, and then this little star to put on top of, hold on, let me show you. This tree. Is this not so cute? We're gonna put this little tree in this corner of our dining room. And we're gonna put that little star on top, and it'll be really cute because we have this currently is like the centerpiece of our dining room. There's a lot of stuff happening here, so just ignore that. We did the shopping for these for our church. So we're getting that underway, but I am decorating. We're gonna decorate the tree tonight. We have Adam's family coming over. Hold on. We have Adam's family coming over tomorrow for football game. So I'm excited to host, but I wanna get all the decorations done tonight. So Adam and I are going to put on some Christmas music or a Christmas movie and get to decorating. And I will show you guys the after because that's more fun than the process. And I'll let you guys know all the things. I'm also going to try ribbon in my tree. Hold on. What I'm saying is I'm gonna try ribbon in my tree this year, which I've never done. My mom has never had ribbon, I don't think, at least not that I can remember. But I just want our tree to look really full and big. It's only 6.5 feet, so it doesn't seem very big. Excuse Blue. So I want to do ribbon to just make it seem even more full. So yeah, let's get to decorating, Blue. Hey Blue, can you sit? Good boy. A good boy. Shake. Hey, sit. Hey. Okay, now you're being. Okay, so my original plan was to get more flocked wreaths from Walmart, but they were out, and those wreaths are close to $10 anyways. So instead, I got 3 of their $2.98 wreaths, and then Adam found this. So we are going to try flocking our own wreaths, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm liking that. Pretty easy after one coat. So yeah, stay tuned for the finished product. Time to put this year's ornament on the tree.
Honors.
What? Let's see, this is last year's ornament. This is one that his mom made us. So maybe, I don't know, somewhere we can see it. Yeah, we'll have them all together.
Spots.
Great. To the beach.
Oh, cute. Hello. So another home update for you guys. We have finally hung our picture ledges, and I know you're just eager to see them. So here they are. Doesn't it look so much better than them just sitting on the ground down here? So we have our picture ledges. We have some Christmas things up there, and I love it. Of course, some things will change over time. Like I feel like there needs to be a little height there, and you know, but this is good for now. We literally just put it up and Adam's family's coming over, so I just wanted to decorate a little. And these lamps will not stay forever, but for now they work how we need and they're inexpensive. Here's a little sneak peek at Christmas. I will be sure in this vlog to give you guys a Christmas decor update, but for now I'm gonna go enjoy some family time. Okay, so I thought I would give you a Christmas decor update. Adam and I are about to head out to do some shopping, but I thought I would show you guys while we have this beautiful daylight. So starting at the entryway, we have our door there. This is the console table, just a cozy little Christmas village. I got these houses last year at Target on sale. I think it was 90% off, so when they were 5 or 3 originally, 90% off that. So what a steal. And then the bottle brush trees are from Hobby Lobby. This one's from Target, and that one's from Walmart this year. Then down here, these are things I've had in the past. Most things are, that steer is from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Dollar Tree ornaments, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, Target. So, and then the garland in the back, my mother-in-law got me last year or the year before from a local store here. So that is the entryway. Then we turn around and we have our new picture ledges, which you guys tell me, is this too high up? Do we need a third one, or is it good? I think it meets eye level nice when you're standing or sitting, but anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, please and thank you. Ooh, almost dropped my phone. So I just added these little bits of garland to make it seem Christmassy, and of course we have this one, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and I showed you guys that. I just think it's really simple and cute. Look at Emma, can't even tell she's pregnant. And then this one, which I got from Aero Boutique. So I don't know where it's from. I don't think she made it there. Anyways, then moving on, we have the lanterns, which I just filled with ornaments that were left over, and I got some from the Dollar Tree. Then I have my Walmart, what is this, flocked garland. Put some ornaments on it, hung our stockings. I'm gonna put our names on these little chalkboard reindeer. We have Blue's bed because he loves to be under something, so we put his bed under there. And then the lanterns on the other side. And these candles do light up, but they're just kind of a pain if you pull them out of there, so I need to find the remote that turns them on. Anyways, and then we have our beautiful tree, which you guys saw us decorating in a time lapse, but I just really like it. I think it looks really magical and I love it. So I showed you guys that we got those pop of green ornaments, and it's just a deep green, so it's not really a pop, I guess, but I just think it's really pretty in our first home ornament that you guys saw us put on. And then instead of doing a star at the top, I did kind of this crown, if you will, with stems from Hobby Lobby, and I think that looks really good, and it's just simple and pretty. And I only had enough ribbon to do one down this side and one down this side, which I think looks okay, but let me know if you guys think I need more. And then we have mistletoe hanging in the dining room, and then in the dining room I just put these trees, which I got last year at Target for 90% off once the season was over. So I put those here just to kind of, looks a little sparse, I don't know, make it foresty. And then we have this tree here, which is from Walmart, and this one, which is also from Walmart, which I just think is the cutest little tree. And we put this little boho beaded star on top. Anyways, yeah, there's not much going on this corner of the dining room, but Adam also hung these up for me last night. So we have those. And then we have this sign, which is from Walmart. It's $4. Let's go tell it on the mountains. I got my mom one that has Silent Night, and it looks like leather. It looks like really old school song sheet, I guess, music sheet. And then I have this basket with this wreath in it that I've had for years. So I just used it like that. Garland across the windows. This is actually hand-me-down garland from my mom, because, you know, we can't spend loads of money every year. We got to build little by little. So I just have that hung over the windows. I have wreaths in the windows. These are the wreaths that I need to show you guys the after. Okay, so these are the $2 wreaths from Walmart. And I just added some 98-cent picks from Walmart to just give it a little pizzazz. And then we have twinkly lights on it. Hold on, let me turn the lights on. You guys can kind of get an idea. It looks better at night, but just a slight flocking. Some of it might have rubbed off on the window, honestly, I don't know. But I think it works for $3. Here's an overview of the whole room. And then in the kitchen, we have this letterboard that we got from Hobby Lobby recently. And we put this saying on it, Adam's Choice. If you know, you know, comment below what movie that's from. And then I just put these little things here and this tree over here. And then we have these trees over here, just kind of different textures and stuff. Once these cabinets are white, it'll be so much better. And then I have this wreath over here, which I don't think I showed you guys, but my mother-in-law and I made this wreath with bottle brush trees and just like that. I don't know. It's super cute, and I have little lights on it. It was so much fun to make. We made it during nap time because I help her at her daycare, and it was a lot of fun. And I think it turned out so cute just here in the window. Love it. So when Adam and I were out today, we went to Bath and Body Works, and I thought I would just show you guys what we got because I don't know, I like to see this stuff. So we got the classic Vanilla Bean Noel hand soap because that's my favorite. We basically just got hand soap because that's what I love. So extension cords for the Christmas lights, don't mind that. We got 'Tis the Season, and we got them all in the gel soaps. This one's really nice. I love Christmas hand soaps from Bath and Body Works. Of course, the Vanilla Bean Noel, which I just showed you guys, and then this coconut mint drop, which smells so good and also looks very pretty. And then we got Marshmallow Fireside, which is one of my favorite Christmas candles from them. So this will be really nice. We're gonna put this one up in our bathroom. And then we each got a lotion. I got this one, which smells so good and is very needed in the winter months. And Adam got this one. Before I close out this vlog, I thought I would show you guys what our Christmas decorations look like at night, because that's always so magical. So we do have a little problem where some lights right here are out in our tree, as you can see, but we just won't acknowledge that that section isn't working tonight. It was actually working last night slightly, so I don't know what's up with that, but okay, here you go. Our wreaths are lit up in the windows. And blue. What do you have? Oh, that's our name for our sibling drawing with Adam's family. How did you even get that? Stinker? Tonight I also made bracelets with my mother and sister-in-law, and you can't see them, I'll show you, hold on. These are mine that I made. I also made one for Adam that says my name. So it was super fun and really relaxing, and I think these bracelets are so cute, fun, and kind of remind me of my childhood. All right, and I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the jumble of this week's activities and home updates. There will be plenty more in the future, so if you aren't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.